So you've stumbled across the IIT Madras based data science course and now you are curious how to join the course, what are its eligibility criterias and what are the modes through which you can get admission. So there are actually two modes of admission to this program, the JEE mode and the qualifier route. So we will get to know about this in detail and many other things. So subscribe to this channel right now and let's get started. So first let's talk about the eligibility of the course, as in what is the minimum criteria that everyone should fulfill in order to enroll in this course. So the minimum criteria to enroll in this course is that you at least need to be 12th passed from any stream, which means that no matter how much percentage you've made and which stream you had chosen, if you've passed the 12th exam and even if it was from art stream, you can join this course. Now, though the course allows students from any stream, it is a very important fact that the course is very maths intensive. And if you haven't studied maths in 11th, 12th, you have to devote extra time to it. And it is a very important factor to consider before joining this course. So now that we've covered the minimum eligibility criteria, now let's move to the modes of admission through which you can enter the course. So one of the two routes to the IIT Madras based data science program is through JEE Mains. So if you've passed the JEE Mains cutoff and you're qualified for JEE Advanced, then you can directly enroll in the course at any term for the next 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. Please cross check that. And yeah, you will be directly enrolled through this and your classes will start. A common doubt people ask is whether we have to give the qualifier exam through the JEE route. So you don't have to give the qualifier exam, but you have to give the exam on the qualifier date. It would be a quiz one exam, not the qualifier exam. You are already entered in the course, but you do need to give the monthly offline exam. Though either of the two quizzes is compulsory, but if you will skip one, it might affect your grades. Now let's talk about the normal admission route to the program, which is the qualifier mode of admission. So in order to enroll through the qualifier route, you need to give the qualifier exam, which is an offline exam consisting of 4 subjects held at exam centers across India. It is of 4 hours of duration and it consists of 4 subjects: English, computational thinking, maths, and stats. In order to pass the qualifier, you need to have an aggregate average of 50% minimum, and in each subject, you need to have at least 40%. Talking about the difficulty of the exam, it is very easy relative to JEE Mains. And for students who have studied maths in 11th and 12th, it's going to be simpler. But if you haven't studied maths in 11th and 12th, then you have to allocate more time to maths and it would be relatively harder for you to qualify. But with consistent and extra efforts, you can do that. English is going to be of, I guess, 10th, 11th level. It would be relatively easy. Stats have some concepts of 11th, 12th maths and some new concepts, though it's mostly gonna be formula based and calculator would be provided in the qualifier exam, so it would be very manageable. And computational thinking is going to be something new if you are not exposed to programming before, and it would be from very basic, but you need to allocate more time if it's a new subject to you. After enrollment, you will 4 weeks of content and an online assignment after every week. After those 4 weeks, you will have the offline qualifier exam. And if you are consistent and devote good efforts in those 4 weeks, it's very likely that you will qualify. And even if you don't, there would be a reattempt after 1 month for which you have to pay extra fees of 1500. And the fees for qualifier exam registration is 3000. And even if you still don't qualify in the reattempt, it's again fine. The qualifier exam is conducted thrice in a year, so there would be again many more opportunities for you to come. And if you pass in the qualifier exam, congratulations, you are now enrolled in the IIT Madras based data science course. You just need to then register for the further details and pay the course fees, and your classes will directly get started. So that's it for the IIT Madras based data science admissions eligibility and exam. I've already made many more detailed video about everything related to IIT Madras and going to be making many more. So subscribe to this channel now And this is one of the very largest set of videos in English that I will make for the IIT Madras BS Data Science course. So non-Hindi speaking audience can also benefit for these videos. So again, subscribe for the coming videos and I will see you very soon. Peace.